How to refund Xbox Game Pass subscription. For that, go ahead and open up Services and Subscription in your PC. Once you tap on it, make sure you are logged in using your Microsoft account. Once you are logged in, scroll down until you find the option of Xbox Game Pass. At the side, you should find the option of Manage. So what you have to do is you simply have to go ahead and tap on the Manage option. Once you tap on it, at the bottom, you should find all of your billing history, redeem a code or prepaid card, turn off recurring bill, and cancel subscription. To refund of your Xbox Pass, simply tap on Cancel Subscription. Once you tap on Cancel Subscription, you have to confirm for your cancellation. Then, it will ask a reason for your cancellation. Just proceed with the process further. Once the subscription is successfully cancelled, you might receive a mail from Xbox about the cancellation. Check in your bank account or the payment method you used to fund the Game Pass to make sure that you have received the fund. If you have not received it, it might take up to 24 hours or 2 to 3 business days depending on the payment method that you selected. However, even after 2 to 3 days you are not refunded, contact the customer support of Xbox. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.